Incorporated. To be awarded by Ms. Kate Guzman and Mr. Mark Anthony Padil. We'd also like to call Mr. Benjo Carpio to receive this special token from Arms for Global Defense Incorporated. Sir, makilagay po muna yung ating pinaka-yung sa event po natin. Thank you. May we request the presence of Ms. Kate? Any representative from our floor? Up next, ladies and gentlemen, Representative Boma. I'd like to call on the assistant Martin to please come here.
Sir, ano ba yung product mo?
So this is the DJI Enterprise system. So it's not an ordinary drone. This is in comparison to what you could see from the commercial drones. This is the heavy drone and industrial drones. So this is a professional drone.
Anong meron sir dyan? Ba't parang kakaiba?
Ito po tayo dito. Meron tayong infrared sensor. May FLIR tayo. And at the same time, we have 200 times digital zoom. So nakikita po natin yung mga subject natin kahit na madilim. Kasama po natin yung PA system natin, makakapag-conduct po tayo ng mga announcements at pwede natin i-record yun. Pwede natin i-repeat po yun. Ang capacity na to is 200 meters. Kaya po malakas yung ating PA system. And ang ating spotlight up to 100 meters. Advantage po nito, this is what is proof and gas proof. So kahit na malakas ang ulan, pwede po natin gamitin yung drone. Yun yung naging challenge yung mga drones. Also, malakas po yung resistance na ito sa wind. Based sa aming experience, lumabas kami ng 51 kilometers per hour na natin. Sa ibang drones po natin, tatangay na po. So kakayanin po nito.
Also, would like to call on Mr. Benjo Carpio to receive your special gift from Armscore.
So saan ba maririnig ang information niya? May talk ba kayo mamaya or sa ano din sa Taka Expo?
Meron tayo mamaya, so nakaabang lang tayo, bibigyan tayo ng blue signal later in the afternoon. So I will be discussing more kung ano important.
Would also like to call on Mr. Gian.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Maraming salamat. Welcome to 24 Tax Expo
from Arms for Global Defense Incorporated. Courtesy of Black Octopus Gear. Maraming salamat. Napakaganda ng bags. Napakabait talaga ni Direk Elvis. Sobrang laki ng niya. Super. Napaka-jet.